Oh, what is this, Susan? You have something in the Amazon again. What is this? Rubbish.
I don't like to pay, but don't get too optimistic.
Oh,
Things, that's just a
OvaView, OvaScope. Is it microscope?
No. It's like a...
Oh,
It's almost like a little mini X-ray.
candling lamp, egg candling lamp. Oh, you. Oh, I think that I've seen these things in the. In olden times, they used to use a candle.
Well,
But
they
no.
did to see the fetus of the hen, wasn't it?
Mm.
And you could see if there was little dark shapes. Sometimes you could even see them moving around. Just lights up the edge. You don't want to keep them on too long though, or you'll cook them. So just a little bit. So this is the set we have.
I hope they have used something like a LED, because the LEDs are relatively cool compared to others.
I'm not sure about that. They never really said. Is it an LED?
Let me see. So you're receiving these things
Yeah.
from Amazon. The companies are sending you. Is it because you're a woman they're sending you? Or no, because you keep eggs? They know you, Susan. Our YouTube channel is becoming popular. I think this one is has a. This is the one with the LED. Normal light will cook them. Oh yeah. Battery powered. That's interesting.
It's a starter's kit, really.
Let me remove
We
this.
always left the raising of the chicks to the hens, but this year we thought we'd try it ourselves as well. Other people do it, so
We can do it.
yeah, we should be able to do it.
That's lovely. Overview and OvaScope. This is the overview and OvaScope egg candle and lamp that we received. And we guess that it may be LED operated. Of course, this is battery operated. Do you want to open it and let's just see?
I think it's one of these new fangled boxes.
We are unboxing. Okay, Susan, will you please open this? Oh, can you open it? I have only one hand, one hand is holding. Oh, look at that. That looks like a microscope.
We need to assemble it. Oh, battery operated, it looks easy enough.
I wonder if they have included a battery.
I'm not sure. I never said. Oh.
If it is heavy, it may have the
So see,
battery.
they're made in Western Supermare, so they are British.
Oh yeah. This is the Brinsea. Brinsea is a British company. They are in the, I think, Somerset or Devon. Somerset. They're in Somerset. You put your hands here and look at the eggs here and look at them. And that dark black thing blocks the light, so you can actually concentrate. It seems you can attach a camera to it and watch it, broadcast it to the public. Oh, probably you should do it.
Well, you're the photographer, you can work that one out. I don't see why not.
Yeah, why not?